ready. Where are we going today? Where are we going today?
To the... I don't know, Mom.
We're going to Musta Square.
To Musta Square.
We are going to the Musta Square.
To do activity.
For Christmas.
For Christmas.
Let's go. Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy?
Sir?
Oh, next time can we go to the...
Mary. Angel. Look at those written there. Angel. Ooh, here we go. Okay, Nak. Oh, no. Very cool, Jamie. Bahay na kami, and look what we have in there. Oh, okay. That looks nice.
Mommy, take a picture of Poopa.
Where's Poopa?
There.
Poopa is hiding over there.
Oh, how cute. I would call her Princess.
Princess? That's a nice name. Princess. She's a real princess.
She's very...
Is she a real princess?
Mommy, I think she likes it here than the playroom.
Yes, because look, she doesn't want to go downstairs now. She's just staying here. She loves it. You can stay here, Poopa, forever. If you want.
Can I watch, please?
What?
Watch.
Okay, we will watch not here in the main bedroom. In the TV in the main bedroom, okay? Not here.
But I want to watch here.
In the main bedroom, not here.
But I want to watch here, Mommy.
No, no. We have to turn off everything here. So that we will be ready to go to rest.
Okay.
Okay.
Mommy, can I bring Poopa there too?
I think she will not like it.
She will like it. Mommy.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Let's see. Oh, ayan! Nakarating na po kami sa bahay. Naninibago po ba kayo sa mukha ko pag walang eyeglasses? Kasi, naninibago ako sa mukha ko pag wala ng eyeglasses. Actually, ang hirap ng naka-eyeglasses. Kung hindi, pwede lang wala. Kaya lang kasi, pag wala yan, ang masakit na ulo ko lagi. Pero mula nang nag-eyeglasses ako, salamat sa Diyos, hindi na ako sakitin sa ulo. Kasi yung pala yun, kasi nga yung mata ko, yung talagang nakaka-apekto ng ulo ko. Kasi may problema na yung mata ko. Anyways, today, ang saya-saya ni Jayrin Faye. Kasi ito yung, actually ito yung pinaka-first Christmas activity na aming inattenderan. Pero yung mga activities lang din naman ay katulad lang din ng mga ano na activity sa labas. Yung tulad ng pinuntahan namin, yung Safi, yung libre din. Mas maganda yun kasi libre lahat. Ito naman pinuntahan namin today sa Mosta, malapit lang yan sa amin. Hindi siya libre, yung mga rides may bayad. Saka yung Bouncy Castle may bayad. Kaya medyo na pa gastos tuloy. Tapos nakikain pa. Kumain pa sa kickbox. Itong isa kumain, nagpa-order siya ng, sabi niya, I want to order like daddy daw. Nag-order siya ng rainbow cake. Kaya lang nakita niya si daddy niya kumakain ng, kumakain ng tinapay. Yun ang gusto kasi nila dito, yung sandwich. Gusto daw niya, nagpa-order siya. Hindi naman niya kinain. Half lang yung kinakain ko. So, binigay na lang niya kay nanat-nana niya yung kalahati. Tapos, napagastos tuloy. Pero, usually, gano'n naman talaga pag Saturday. Kasi, yun naman ang aming family day. Gumagastos naman talaga kami lagi sa pagkain. Saka, yun din yung pahinga ko para hindi lagi nagluluto. Nakakapagod, magluto palagi. Pahinga ko yun pag weekends. Kasi pag kumakain kami sa labas, at least hindi ako nagluluto ng pagkain. Kasi wala namang ibang magluluto. So, advantage yun sa akin. Kaya lang gastos din. Pero hindi naman kami bumibili ng mga mamahaling pagkain. Ano lang na pagkain. Sakto lang na pagkain. By the way pala, nakalimutan ko i-share na nag-celebrate pala kami ng birthday ni Darren. Nung kahapon. Ito yun. Kasi, hindi kami nakapag-celebrate. Kasi nga busy. So, at least na-enjoy namin yung, kain lang din. Hindi katulad sa atin sa Pilipinas na nagluluto, ganyan, naghahanda. Ako, ganun talaga yung dati kong ginawa din. Kaya lang, wala talaga akong oras na ngayon. Kasi sa dami ng mga activities nila Jaylin sa school, dami ng mga kailangang asikasuhin. Wala na. Kanina bago umalis, nung natulog si Jaylin, ako, linis nga. Kaya pagod ang katawang lupa. Tapos, sinamahan pa to doon, mag-gala-gala. Tapos, siya dun sa playground.
Delicious. Try it.
Okay, thank you.
Delicious.
Like this. What's this there?
This cake is yummy.
Maybe they don't like it here. Oh.
Merry Christmas, Grazie. Build a fire and get around the tree.
Yes. Touch it now. Like this.
già pronto ma una pandemia
Ha, give more.
No, these are orange.
Give more na.
Dai, nella canzone non sapevo partiamo, siete io, lei, cosa, e ti sono dei momenti,
Give it na.
Thank you. I think they're the boss.
No, not there. Today is another day. Walang pasok sila dito. Kaya nag-date kami. While they're in school. We're in KFC. Tingnan yung fried chicken nila dito. Ang sarap. Para siyang Jollibee. Pero mas masarap pa yun ng Jollibee kasi ito parang maalat siya. Maalat. Tapos ma-oil.
Oil?
Oil. Dalatog oil. Deep fried. For Darren, this is not good. So, yung kanain niya, he only took... What did you eat, Daddy?
Chicken burger.
Only chicken burger and shit. Because this is not good for him. Tapos maya-maya, susunduin ko si Jason pagkatapos dito.
Wow, bravo, let's stand up. Stand up. Alright, we're going to take alright. Grab, your ball there. Yes, sir. What is that? Grab, yeah. Okay, take it. Lay over here. Go down, go down, go down. Very good. Another one.
Wait. Let's see.